Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. On this video I am going to show you how you can earn your free 10,000 naira from PalmPay app. But before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to this channel because you're going to be getting more interesting tips that will earn you more money on this platform. Thank you. So let's proceed. Click on the PalmPay app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now that we are on the PalmPay app, what you have to do is to click win big on the services section. There's a sign win big with a kind of trophy, a cup trophy. Yeah, win big, or you can just click win big, and there's this another symbol here, win big, or you can click on this banner at the top of the app in 10,000 naira cash. But let's click win big here. Now we've arrived at another page. Now, PalmPay wants to give you free 10,000 naira, but before this can be done, it needs to be withdrawn, and to be withdrawn, it has to be 10,000 naira. So now, what you need is 16.79 naira to get to that 10,000 naira, so that you can withdraw to your PalmPay account, or you can withdraw to any bank at all. So what I'm trying to say is that, as you can see on this page, you already have 9,983 naira pre-installed on your PalmPay account, but it has to reach 10,000 naira before you can withdraw. Now, for it to reach 10,000 naira is not rocket science. You can do this at any time. It's very easy to reach. What you have to do is to invite one of your friends or one of your family member that is not a PalmPay user. That is all. That is all. Just find one of your friends that is a PalmPay user. Invite them through your link or your unique code. Now, this is how you can invite them. To invite them, you just have to click invite and in. There's this yellow box here below there. You're going to see it. It says invite and in. But before we click, I just want you to see okay, let's continue first. Let's continue. Just click invite and in to get your code. Now this is your invitation code. Mine is JCQT5239. I just have to copy it, then use it to invite my new users. But the best way is to use your invitation link. Invitation link is the best way. That is what I use to get my own 10,000 naira from my other PalmPay app. So just click invite now. After clicking invite now, you're going to see where you can share this link. But to be on a safer side, you just first of all you need to copy that link by clicking copy to clipboard. Now, after copying it, if you want to share this link, to your friends on Facebook, it is very easy from here. Or if you want to share it to news feed on Facebook, you can also share this. If you want to share to your Twitter friends, WhatsApp friends, Facebook friends, even Instagram friends, it is very easy from here. Like mine, I did it on WhatsApp. I shared it to all my friends on WhatsApp. I shared it to all my friends on WhatsApp. Luckily for me, one of them were able to, and that was my cousin. He registered through that link, and I was able to get my 10,000 naira. Now let's proceed. Let me show you how it is. I clicked on the WhatsApp. Now I shared that link to this guy. Um, This guy, I shared the link to him. As you can see, before now, there's this other link here. Yes, and there was this other link. So I shared this link to him, and he was able to download it through my link, and I was able to gain my 10,000 naira. Now see what you're going to do. After clicking, he's going to click that link. Now this is the link. He's going to, when he clicks the link, he's going to be redirected to a place where you have to download um, the PalmPay app. And now this is how it is going to look like. After this, your friend register through your link, he's going to get 1,000 naira cash free. Then you're going to get your 10,000 naira instantly. It will be transferred to your PalmPay account. After then, you can use the 10,000 naira anyhow you want to. You can even transfer it to your bank account anyhow you want. So that is how you get your 10,000 naira, free 10,000 naira on PalmPay. So make sure you do this to get your 10,000 naira before this opportunity runs out. You understand? And before and after you're doing it on the process, please, you just have to subscribe to my channel so that you're going to get more available tips that will make you earn money. Just subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.